Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 23rd and the chart of the day for today is 10-year notes, 60 minutes time frame. So we are currently looking for the 10-year notes to extend on the downside to finish a 5 waves down here. And we are now in the last leg here within the wave 5, and within the wave 5 currently it is quite mature. And technically we should be close to finishing the wave 5 here, and it could basically finish anytime now, right? So if I zoom out in the larger degree, we can notice a couple of things. From the weekly point of view, this has been bearish since we topped out here in 2020. Notice here the move is lower low, lower high, and looks quite impulsive. And since 2023 we did finally have a high, but it's a clear 3 waves rally only. There's no impulsive move here. So I think the trend in that sense, impulsive move down, 3 waves up, is bearish in the higher degree, right? Now the question is, this rally here is correcting the cycle. Now the question is whether the correction is finished, because if you look at this move down, we are only correcting only 23.6% retracement, which is traditionally kind of still shallow, right? Shallow correction. Now in a very strong trend, this could indeed be the end of the correction and then starts to go down. But most of the time, because it's only 23.6, we could evolve into some sort of a double, like a double zigzag like this. Basically to allow, so this is a zigzag and then you have another zigzag, to allow a little bit better or bigger correction before it continues to go down. But it remains to be seen is whether we go down from here or we do another leg higher, right? But if we're talking about the weekly trend, it is lower, but the daily might potentially extend again because the correction is still kind of small relative to the initial decline. Now, but that's kind of long term. If we take a look at the lower time frame, and we're going to focus on this move down. Now this move down here is impulsive, right? It is impulsive. Look at this, 1 2 3 4 5 with very clear subdivision extension in the 3, 1 2 3 4 5, and which is basically what we are showing here, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are now close to finishing the 5 waves down. Now regardless whether we will eventually go down to new low or we will do a double like I mentioned before, double zigzag and rally again, the idea here is that this move down is impulsive. So most likely then in the shorter cycle, if we focus on the shorter cycle, that means after the 5 waves down is complete, we got this rally. But because it is a 5 waves down, then at the least you should be getting another 5 waves down again. So this move down then has two possibilities. It's either an ABC and then do this, because this entire 3 waves is only 23.6% retracement of this move down from 2020, or another possibility is this is actually wave 1, wave 2, and then it's just gonna go down like this, 3 4 5, and it's just going to resume to the downside, and these 3 waves will be the end of the correction of this entire decline. So that's the two possibilities. But one thing, whether we are talking about this or whether we are talking about ABC and that, same conclusion in the shorter cycle at least, that because this is a 5 waves, most likely we're going to get at least another leg down, right? At least another leg down, so either ABC or 1 2 3, right? So but at least another leg down is possible once the current 5 waves is complete, which should be almost, we should be getting through this rally, right? Now because of the 5 waves, you don't want to pick the low, guys. A lot of people want to trade every single swing every single minute. That's not possible. So 5 waves down, you should not try to pick the high or the low when it is impulsive. But we can already see and count a pretty clear 5 wave subdivision, so we should expect this rally to happen anytime now. Okay, so that's the update here, guys, for the 10-year notes. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the bonds, notes, Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, Feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time and have a nice day everyone.